Hey folks, welcome back to CountNCook. This is Satvik Sridhar Suvarna, and today's recipe is one of the requested recipes of this channel. They say this is good for common cold, cough, and also helps in increasing the bone density. I don't know, man. Do the research yourself. If you like the video, please give this video a like and also share it with your friends. Without any further ado, let's begin the cooking. In the first step, into a pressure cooker like this goes approximately 40 ml of sunflower oil. When the oil heats up, goes 6 lamb trotters that are cut into 2 halves. Here goes a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 level teaspoon of salt, and saute the trotters on high flame for around 5 minutes. Instead of lamb trotters, you can also use goat trotters, and after sauteing for around 5 minutes, here goes 1 more teaspoon of salt and loads of water. Give it a mix. Now put the lid on and pressure cook for 7 whistles. Till the time it is pressure cooked, let's quickly make a masala. For that, into a wok like this goes approximately 30 ml of sunflower oil. When the oil heats up, goes 1.5 tablespoons of black peppercorns. You should feel the heat of black peppercorns in this preparation. Coriander seeds 3 tablespoons. A tablespoon of cumin seeds. 1 whole bulb of garlic. Onions should be limited in this preparation. Here goes 1 roughly chopped onion, and to speed up the cooking of onion goes a teaspoon of salt and continue sauteing. Here goes 10 green chilies. Now goes 10 Guntur chilies. If you don't have Guntur chilies at home, doesn't matter, you can also use Badgi red chilies. Quarter bunch of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves goes in, and give it a mix. Now that all of our ingredients are well cooked, off goes the flame, cool it down completely, and once cooled down, transfer them into a blender jar like this. By using water as required for blending, blend into a smooth paste like this. After 7 whistles and after letting the steam off, it is not fully cooked, but doesn't matter, some more of the cooking needs to be done. Turn on the stove now, and the masala that we ground earlier goes in entirely. Add rinsed water from the same jar masala was previously ground in. More or less quarter bunch of finely chopped cilantro goes in now, and give it a mix. Check for the taste now and add salt accordingly. Here I am adding a teaspoon of salt more, and remember, never fill the pressure cooker to brim because there is a possibility of leakage. Now pressure cook again for another 8 whistles. In total it's 15 whistles. After 8 whistles and after letting the steam off, you can see that the meat is well cooked. It's coming off the bone very easily. Best thing is to have it in the morning. Hey, an interesting dish that's possibly good for common cold, cough, or to increase the bone density is ready. To try this recipe out at home and let us know how it turned out. For more such interesting upcoming recipes, please stay tuned. Ciao.